Things a man must never do to a Filipina. I told you even before that Filipina loves all in. Shuhada. Number 1, don't break her heart. She loves deeply, she values relationship, and she will going to forgive you multiple times. Break the Filipinas' heart, and they will going to show you how small but terrible the Filipinas are. Number 2, don't you ever pretend that you love her. Don't be cruel, because she loves you sincerely. You are not in the movie to put some act. Are you an actor? Are you Johnny Depp? Are you Iron Man? Huh? Are you Leonardo DiCaprio in Titanic? Jack! Rose! Jack! Rose! If you are Jack and I am Rose, and then we are in the middle of Atlantic Ocean, and then it's negative 200 degrees Celsius, and then I remember you just say you don't love me anymore. Shuhada, even 1 minute you cannot hold this wood anymore. Ha? Yalla. Masalama, Jack. Your girls will gonna miss you. Shuhada.